Eid is not just about celebration, it's about love, memories, and togetherness. Every gift I pack carries a small piece of my heart. Handmade crochet, a simple thread turned into something meaningful. These little baskets are not expensive, but they are priceless because love is in the effort we put for each other. As I sit here packing these small baskets, I realize it's the little things that matters the most. Each item I place carries a thought, a memory, and a silent prayer. Some essentials, something handmade, and something from the heart. Crochet has always been more than just a hobby for me. It's my way of turning simple threads into emotions. And today, every basket has a piece of that love inside it. These handmade pieces may look small, but they carry hours of patience, care, and intentions. And the most beautiful part, you can create these too. My all tutorials are available if you want to watch and if you want to make these type of beautiful gift hampers for your loved ones. You can just go and watch my tutorials and create by yourself. It's handy, it's easy, and anything that you can want to put more effort and more beauty to it, you can just simply have to do. Simply you have to add a crochet item in every basket. Handmade still feels different. It feels warmer, closer, more real. These baskets are not perfect, but they are personal. And maybe that's what makes them perfect. I have put different type of things in every basket. My most focus was that the thing which we use in daily routine, I should give that type of gift so that they will, if my loved ones use and carry those products with them, they will carry my love with them as well. So I have just not given them a gift, I have given them my love. So what I thought while making all these products were that bottles are essentials that you can use, you can carry along all the time. So I have put in most of the baskets, you have seen that I have put my water bottles and handy bags, the clutch bags, and such type of things I have just chosen to give them as a gift. So my these water bottles covers are so much cute and beautiful. You can see the love that I have put inside these bottle covers, the uniqueness, the style, the trendiness that I have given to each and every gift hamper. My these bottle covers are unique in their own style. Then I also give uniqueness to the bags, handbags that are trending a lot. My this ruffle bag is also very trendy nowadays. The internet is flooding with these type of beauties and these type of trends. You can easily find these type of tutorials on my channel, and you can get it by yourself, and you can create such type of beautiful things for yourself as well. And these gifts are not expensive but made with all my love for Eid. Eid is not just about gifts, it's about the feelings we wrap inside them. So my all these gifts were just to give them my love and my beauty towards the craft that I am associated with, and I am working a lot with this art. I am very dedicatedly doing my beautiful crocheting all these products. So some of the gifts were not with any crocheted item because I was running out of time, and I had to complete some of them, and some I have just packed the random stuff from the market. And I also give my all little kids Eid and the love that I was just keeping with myself. And this is what I created for Eid gifts. And Eid is not only to just having a celebration, it is about the energy, the love you are sharing by meeting up. So that is all what I have created till the end of Ramadan. And this is a short video I have created too, so you can easily see how you can even give any small things you have to collect and give, make your gift more beautiful and more valuable. So if you are watching this take a moment to create something for someone you love and make it more special with your art, the love you have with your art as well. It doesn't have to be big, but it has to be just meaningful. And you have no idea how much memories you are giving to that person just by giving them your art, your artwork. And then the day when all these little efforts turn into smiles, holding hands, sharing moments, and because love can be felt in these quiet gestures, there is comfort. In these simple moments, there is happiness. It is not in the big celebration, it is in these small, beautiful collections. I hope you love my collection of variation that I have created. Thank you for watching.